Okay, we've been working on some stickers around here and also a hat. Heat transfers, that's what these are. And then we got some clear stickers up here. I don't know if anybody needs clear. It's light from above me. So this is the first one they made, which is the older logo with the two-tone in here. You got a silver and a gray. You can see it better. And they got this way too dark in here. It was really hard to see the lines in there. So this was the one they did today. So now they got, it's like my shirts, they got the two-tone, the half tones here where it looks more like one color, but slightly different. And they lighten up the blue so you can see the banner in the back. This is too much purple here. This is more blue like it should be. So, and they're playing around different sizes too, so playing around, trying to figure out what it's going to be. But this is the Lacey logo. This one here has the gray underneath here, which you can't really see in the clear. So this is the same stuff we're working on over here. So this was from yesterday or the day before. I forget, I get mixed up. So this is the, I think this is the clear transfer here, which should be the same as this one up there on the right. That'd be this one. This is the other version. Like I said, this has the darker background and the fluorescent up there fucks with you. Go over here, yeah, a little bit better. And this has the dark, the old way of doing my shirt, not the new way of doing the shirt. The shirt's changed. Keep up with the changes around here. So this one here was the old way where it's two-tone, was gray and silver. And he did the half tone through here. This one here is the new way of doing it where it's got the silverish and dark silver and the lighter blue on the back side. So this is the new logo here. The new shirts I'm going to drop the Specialized in Harley off the front, make the logo a little bit bigger, and then put that on the back with everything. So it'll be more like this one here. See how it's a bigger logo than that one. And I'm going to drop the San Diego off the front also. The new shirts will be here next week, he said. So everything I'm out of right now will be back in stock again, hopefully. So, like I said, we're updating the logos a little bit. And we're working on trying to get hats made too, and stickers and patches and all that junk. So this was a couple days ago or yesterday. So this is the one we put on the hat. I don't know why they remade these. These are the old darker where it's, you know, it's more purplish than blue in the background, which I didn't like. The light screws with me. If I turn that light on, you know, maybe that helps. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. These are the heat transfer for hats or whatever you want to put them on. Either sell them, use them, or do something. I think if you radius cut these and put them on a black hat or a black shirt, it would disappear. All you'd see is my deep logo. Be different looking. So this is the new logo we worked on today. Actually worked on them yesterday, but they printed them today. So this is the front of the shirt. This would be the back of the shirt. So, but they got the wrong color on this one, as you can tell. So even this wasn't quite right. Thought they printed out some new ones out today. There we go. Nope, it's still the old one. Yeah, they're still all mixed up over there. We keep going back and forth on which ones are which. There's the new one. That's this one. Yeah, whatever. Keep printing out more of these, and they're all slightly different. What's the difference on this one? Oh, this one's made correct. That's the difference. Alright, so before and after. So this has the gray and the silver, and see this has the two-tone grays. Or two-tone silver, you want to call it. Instead of making the street to strip in black, we made it white, but with a black outground. And like this one is. So that makes it pop a lot better. So this is the new style, this is the old one. So, got a lot of samples. Who wants junk samples? And this is the peel and stick ones here. So these are clear transfers. Not sure what I need a clear transfer for. These are, you can actually peel these back off again. A couple times anyway. See, they come back off. Do I need to have this kind of stuff? I don't know why I would need these. So you can take these off, put them on different backgrounds. Like a dark background, that's the dark background. Like light background, that's light background. Maybe they're good for like windshields on bikes, but why wouldn't you just use a sticker? I don't know why you would use a clear. He says those won't blow off at 150. I'm not sure. This one's got my fingerprints on the back, so it's autographed. Got DNA on it probably. They start to tear like this after you do it a few times. So I don't know if we need those. I'm looking to maybe get some clear ones for to go on the back of windows, where you go on the inside of the window. I don't know. I don't know, these are tile slip one. I don't know if I really need these. These are automotive grade vinyl here, so they'll stick on pretty good, but they are not laminated. So they're only good for a year or 3. So the lamination is going to add, it'd probably double the price of it to do the lamination, but it'd be pretty permanent then. So what do you think? You like the, that's the same one. What am I doing with the other one? I lost it. Do you like the dark gray, two-tone gray, or you like the other one? Now, why am I pulling up all the same one now? Before I couldn't find what I wanted. See, we got too many variations out. That's clear. There's the one. So, and then we also got the pink ones now. Does anybody like our pink tint ones here? So you got the pink one, you got the old one dark, you got the new light, and you got the new light in the, without the Specializing Harley on it. So this one we're not going to make. So if you want the pink one, I only got 4 of them. We're not making those. This one we're not going to make either, because I don't like it. Like this one. See, this is purple, this is blue. So we got front shirt and hats, and we got back of shirt. That's kind of how I'm leaning. And I'll probably get stickers and patches made both ways. People's preferences. This is like a 5-inch here, 5.5. These are 5.5, these are 5. I think so, I've measured them. So these are probably 2.5. So anyway, that's where we're at. So let me know your comments on what you like and don't like, and we'll figure it out. And like I said, this this has the same silver as up in here. So the white pops, but it doesn't override the whole sticker when you got this in white down here also. And with a black background, I can put this patch on any color shirt, including black. So it makes it a little easier. So anyway, there you go. Alright, I got some more of them out here. So this is the ones from last week. So these are the ones that were made on the hats. You can see how dark it is in here. You kind of lose all the detail of it. This one here was a little bit better. Well, this is the new one. Where's the old one at? Well, that's the pink one. We're not doing pink. Alright, where are they at? One of the pink ones. Okay, here's the new one. So this one had the same darkness here, but not as much. I don't know why these are so dark. It must just be all the black. Just really makes it. Not even this one, the white. It's just darker. It's a different shade. Yeah, these are all real dark. You can't see anything. This one here isn't as bad. You can definitely see that's lighter than this one. Where's the new one at? And the new one's over here, which is a royal blue. Because we laid it up next to our shirt over there, and it matches. There's our royal blue, and there's our turquoise over here, isn't it? And there's the turquoise. So we need light now. There we go. So turquoise and royal blue. That's how you tell what color it is. And that's purple. I don't care what they call it. That's purple. So this is the new and improved. That's why This is our difference between all the different ones. So next thing is, what size does everybody want? I know everybody wants every size. So what do we got here? We got these, I guess, are 3-inch. These are 5-inch. That is probably 9-inch by 10-inch. So that's a 10-inch. This one I thought was a 5.5. It's 4.5. Where was the big one? That was the big one. No, that's the ugly one.
Big one.
It's the other one. This is the, no, that ain't the big one. The 100's the big one. There it is. That's the bigger one. Nope, that's the gray one. So you get all mixed up again. We separated these.
Yeah.
That's the big one. That's the other one. That was the only measure was 5. That's a little over 5, about 5.5 inch. So I guess basically we got 3, we got 6, and we got, what are these, 10?
10.
10. Where's the 8? We're missing one.
Right.
So, now somebody said they want to put these on swing arms, which means you have to have a small, like a 2x2 to do that. I don't know if you want to go that small. So.
Put it on the oil bag.
Yeah, but that'll fit on the oil bag.
Mm-hmm.
You want to be big enough you can see on the oil bag, not so
Right.
small you can't see anything. You know, where's an oil bag at? Well, you put it on the air cleaner. Put that right on the air cleaner. It works. Everything around here is big.
Mm.
There's no motorcycles around here.
Exactly.
We want to work on
Just these little ones.
we want to work on yeah. It's too big for the motorcycle here. Yeah, it's not big enough for that. What size Harley used? See, Harley used. They had small logos. See? Yeah. All right. Well, anyway, let us know what size you want. This is the dark gray. So the new one was the light one. This one. This one, and that's why it doesn't look too big. It's the one underneath was the big one. This is the biggest one. There you go. That's the 5.5. We'll call that one the 6 because it's bigger than this one. We'll call that 5. We'll call that 6. So these are 2 I'm going with right now for the style. So we got with the Harley Davidson street to strip on it, and then we got just the street to strip on that one. But then we got, let me know what size we want. They want me to buy a couple hundred or whatever I buy of each size. So if I get just this style and this size, that's 400 stickers. That's a lot of stickers. They're not that cheap. They do cost money. And this is our transfers for our hats or anything else you want to put them on. These are stick-on deals. So we're going to get those made up. So we'll be able to go bigger than that. Is that the same size as this one? No, this is probably the size we can put on the hat. But if we lose the writing like that, we might even go bigger than that. Because we're going to lose that writing. We want to get big enough on the hat you can actually see the damn thing. No, we're not going to put this big wide-ass border on here. It looks like crap. This one doesn't look too bad because it's white. You don't see it. But when you put that on a black shirt, it looks like this. Except it really sticks out bright. This one's real dark, and this one's super bright when you look at it. But, oh well. All right, let us know which ones you like here. We're gonna get something made here next. I don't know, it's gonna be another week or 2 weeks before they get stickers made and patches. But patches will probably be 2 or 3 weeks, but we'll see. We're playing. Tomorrow I have some hats to look at. They're gonna make me some samples of hats. This style junk here, but my big logo on it. So we'll have a couple of hats to look at tomorrow, hopefully. All right, that's it for now.